Well guys, just as we created a small bump on our other objects, now I want to create this bump on this salt and pepper to make it look more beautiful. First I select them and move them to the right in the X direction, and as you can see, a bump is created from the middle of them by pressing extrude align normals, and then by pressing the Ctrl B we create a bevel for the two lines above and below, and then we place the objects on the inside of the holder. Another thing that can be more beautiful and practical in my opinion is the place of chopsticks on the table. So let's quickly model it from a reference that I prepared. So we will create a plane and place it on one of the holders. Then we change to the appropriate size. After that we add subdivision surface and solidify to the model from the modifiers section, and consider the amount of solidify one more than the previous objects, because we want it to be stronger. Then we create a loop cut in the middle, and then we apply shade auto smooth. So in the edit mode we move the line we create in the middle back a little like the previous object. We also select the two side lines of the object, and then move them forward to have a sharper edge. Now we place its origin in the middle, and our object is ready to be materialized and multiplied by 6 pieces.